Welcome. This is the Term 4 test review sheet solution tutorial. Here I will be doing number 5. Number 5 asks us to describe each function transformation from that parent function of x squared. So to do approach this, we have to find the a, h, and the k, and those will give us the description of what is happening. So let's just go back to here uh, where we got all the values of a, h, and k. And now we can now describe it about what's happening. So the a equals to 2. What does that mean? Well, if we look at our core concept from before, when a is bigger than 1, the parabola gets narrower. So we can say that a equals to 2. This will make it get narrow. A h is equal to 2. This is going to tell us to go left 2 units. And this is k equals to 5, which is positive. This is going to go tell us to go up 5 units. And to do this, I have it graphed here. This is the parent function of x squared. And then this is the new function of what we just got. Notice it did get narrower. Then it did go to 2 units to the left. Take a look. Okay, 2 units to the left and 5 units up. All right, that's how you can double check by graphing it. All right, let's go to B. First of all, the negative here out in front, this negative tells us that it's going to flip or reflect. The 3 here, it's going to tell us that it's going to get narrower. H is equal to negative 5. This means it's going to go left 5 units. And the k equals to negative 4 means it's going to go down 4 units. Let's now graph this and see. This is our parent function, and this is the new one. Okay. Oh, and this is the new one right here. So notice that it is reflected. It did get narrower. Then it went 5 units to the left. Then it went 4 units down. That is how we can double check our work from the parent function of the red to the new one that we have here, which is now in green. Let's do the last problem. A is equal to 2, and we know from our core concept when it is a fraction between 1 and 0, the parabola here will get wider. Here it gets wider. So we can say here it gets wider. H is equal to negative 2. This means that it's now going to go left 3 units. K equals to 4, which is positive. This means it's going to go to right 4 units. Let's double check by graphing it. Now, notice that it did get wider. Notice that the purple is now fatter. It's wider. It went 3 units to the left and 4 units up, exactly like what we said. There you go. So that is how you describe it using your A, H, and K for number 5.